good afternoon. It's 27th of July 2021 and the time is 3:15 and we are here at Asas Estate, plot number 1, Badambal Reddy Nagar colony, and we are here to take a review shoot. And this is Asas Estate. 3 slabs are done, 3 floors are done rather. If you include ground floor, it is 4 floors. You have a basement parking there, and for the people watching for the first time, this is the main road, Tolichoki bridge. That's the Tolichoki bridge, and just below the bridge that's the temple, and the blue curtain what you're seeing there, the commercial mall. And this is Asas Estate, which has got 4 BHK and 3 BHK. This double road unit is going to be 4 BHK. If we talk about the colony, it's a layout colony. It has got a very wider roads, and this is the colony side. The other side, it's a double road plot, and you could see it's almost on 40 feet road. That's the colony road. Pretty much green colony, wide roads, and beautiful structures around. So let's get into the project and see. The basement parking entrance, the building entrance. So this is going to be the entrance for the building, and the right side is going to be the commercial sites, and the left side is going to be the watchman room to keep an eye on the vehicles and the people coming in and out. So the ground floor is going to be entirely commercial, and the commercial space will have an entrance from one road, and the residential will have the entrance from the second road. So that's the elevator, the staircase. Let's get in. So entering into the first floor to look at the units. So the moment you land up on the first floor, this is the unit number 1, which is double road, 4 BHK, 1350 square feet, and this comes with the double entrance, and it's 1250 square feet, and 3 BHK, yes. And the third unit again with the double entrance, which is again at 1275 square feet, approximate 1300 square feet, and 3 BHK. So where would you like to start? Let's start from this unit. Okay, come on. The moment you enter into a very semi-formal drawing area, which is with an guest toilet as well. And then that's the hall. That would be the balcony. This is going to be the kitchen. That's going to be the wash area, which comes right behind the drawing and behind the toilet, the common bath. This is the kitchen, pretty much spacious, and it has got a very big window. It'll be very easy and very convenient and very free flow kind of a thing. Ladies are going to love this thing. The moment you come out of it, this is a bedroom. Wow, pretty much huge. It looks like 15 by 16 kind of a room, which comes with an attached bath. Huge window. Look at the road. Wider roads. That's the colony road. So the attached bath, overhead storage, sajja we call it, and look at this huge room. Nowadays people are building flats in the size of this room. So coming out of this room, you land up again in the hall, and then you have a huge balcony, and the next 2 rooms. So this is again a room which comes with an attach. The sub road, the second road, the residential entrance road, and this is going to be the commercial entrance road, the second plot from the main road. We again land up in the hall, coming to the next room. The rooms are very spacious. It's a very spacious flat. Very. Look at the size of the hall. Huge, isn't it? So let's come out of this unit. This is unit number 1, which is 4 BHK 1350 square feet, and get on to the next flat, which is 3 BHK 1250 square feet, and there we enter. The moment you enter into a hall, and then next to it there's a drawing room entrance. As I told you, it has got dual entrance. You could even make this as a 4 BHK. You could have a drawing here, and you could use this room as one more bedroom, the double entrance room. And the moment you enter, you land up in the hall, and then to your right is going to be the kitchen. This is the kitchen with the duct and a window. Next to the kitchen is the common bathroom and a bedroom. This could be the dining hall, the balcony, which comes with a full-size door, and there you get into the next bedroom. Again, you could always have a balcony or a window. It's up to you. In the plan, according to the plan, it's a window. So that's the unit 2, which is 3 BHK 1250 square feet. Let's get on to the third unit, which is 1275 square feet. Meanwhile, you look at the common area. Common area. It's pretty much spacious common area, and justifiable size of the lift, wider staircase, and yes, it's going to be finished with granite or the marble. We are entering into the third unit, again, which comes with the 2 entrance. So the dual entrance, the first entrance at your left is going to be the drawing room, and the second entrance lands you up in the hall. The moment you enter, you have a bedroom here. That's the bedroom, 1275 square feet. This is pretty much squarish bedroom, and with an attached toilet. Again, a balcony here. A bigger and wider kitchen. And then you have a small lobby. Mostly you have it in the furnished apartments and the hotel apartments. That kind of a lobby. Look at the size of the room. Wow. This is one of those rooms where we have made it very rare. This size of room, it's like 14 by 15 kind of room, and it comes with an attached bath. And the moment you come out of this, you have one more door, which is the drawing room door. So mostly we have people who take a lot of precaution on the hijab part. So if you look at this, the drawing room, there the guests enter, and here the host enter from the house. So there is no chance at all to be exposed, or rather you could even say that the rest of the house is cut off from the drawing area. So pretty much spacious, 3 BHK, 1275 square feet. So we are in flat number 3. That's the flat number 2 with double entrance. And there, that is the flat number 1 with single entrance, but it's huge, 1350 square feet. Ladies and gentlemen, please let us know your feedbacks and let us know your feedback, and do like and subscribe us on our YouTube channel. Look at this. I would like to show you the entire construction is with the red brick, and this is the wall. That wall belongs to the neighboring property, which is a commercial apartment. Right next to the commercial apartment, we have used complete red brick. It's ISO certified structure with ISO certified material. So that's the main road. First plot, which is a commercial mall, and then this is the building. So the front side is going to be the commercial side, and the next side is going to be the residential side. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for watching. The things are pretty much swift on this side, and hopefully we should be able to complete the stuff much before the time. Thank you very much. Have a nice and wonderful and fantastic day. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.